morning. Myself Sheikh Shoaib Akhtar from Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today my topic is engineering efficiency optimization in air refri- refri- refrigeration system using AI. Overview of air refrigeration systems. Uh, Brief explanation introduction. It is an introduction. Brief explanation of air air refrigerator systems, common applications, industrial, commercial, and residential cooling. Importance of emergency efficiency, environmental impact, cost savings, challenges in air refrigeration system, energy consumption. Refrigeration system are energy intensive over uh, over over conspiration and inefficiency. System performance inconsistent cooling, increased wear and tear. Role of artificial intelligence, AI in optimization. AI and machine learning overview. uh, Definition and scope. Key techniques: predictive analytic neural network optimization algorithms. AI's rules in refrigeration, dynamic system modeling, and real-time optimization identify inefficiencies. AI techniques for energy efficiency optimization: predictive maintenance, early fault detection, and maintenance scheduling, reducing downtime and energy waste. Load forecasting and demand response, predicting cooling demand and adjusting energy using accordingly. AI based algorithm for optimal power usage, performance optimization, fine tuning system parameters for peak efficiency. AI based control systems, intelligent controller, AI driven controllers for real time regulation of temperature and airflow, ad- adaptive control techniques, feedback loops, continuous learning and adjustment based on real time data. Case study 1: AI in commercial refrigeration. Overview of implementation, energy energy savings and case study 1: AI in commercial refrigeration. Overview of implementation, energy savings and improvements. Case study: AI for industrial refrigeration systems. Specific results in efficiency and cost reduction. Benefits of backslide is case studies. Benefits of AI driven energy efficiency optimization: energy saving, reduction in overall energy consumption, cost reduction, lower lower operational costs due to optimized energy use. Suitability, contribution to reduce carbon emissions, improved system reliability, longer lifespan of equipment through optimized operation. Challenge and limitations. Data depend data dependency, need for high first data dependency, need for high quality data and sensors, in initial investment install investment, cost of implementing AI technologies, integration with existing systems. Capability issues with legacy refrigeration systems, security converts, vulnerability in AI control systems. Summary, conclusion, future outlook. Summary, recap of AI's role in enhancing sorry enhancing energy efficiency in refrigeration systems, future trends, evaluation of AI in refrigeration tool generations, advanced machine learning models, potential for widespread adoption in various industries. Closing through AI, closing thought, AI as a key driver for suitable refrigeration practice. In first topic we have introduction. In introduction, overview of air refrigeration systems, brief explanation of air refrigeration systems, common applications. Common applications are like industrial, commercial, and residential cooling. Importance of energy efficiency, environmental impact, cost savings. These are the introductions, and we have covered topics. Challenges in air refrigeration systems: energy energy consumption. Refrigeration systems are energy intensive. um, Overconsumption and inefficiency, system performance, inconsistent cooling, increase wear and tear. Role of AI in optimization, artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning overview, definition and scope. Key techniques. Key techniques are predictive analytic, neural networks, optimization of algorithms, AI's role in refrigeration system, dynamic system, modeling and real-time optimization, identify inefficiencies. AI techniques for energy optimizations, predictive maintenance, early fault detection and maintenance scheduling, reducing downtime and energy waste, load forecasting and demand response, predicting cooling demand and adjusting energy use accordingly. AI based algorithm from optimal power usage, performance optimization to fine tuning system parameters for peak efficiency. AI AI based control systems, intelligent controllers, AI driven controller time regulation of temperature and airflow, adaptive control techniques, feedback loops, continuous learning and adjustment based on real time data. Case study, AI in commercial refrigeration system, overview of implementation, energy savings and improvements. Case study, AI industrial refrigeration system, specific results in energy efficiency and cost reducing. In last conclusion we can see closing thought, AI as a key driven suitable refrigeration system practice. Thank you.